Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Again, my name is Rudy Pean, owner and operator of RCJ Tax and Credit Repair Services. Guys, today we're going to talk about kind of the red flags to watch and when you kind of want to decide maybe it's time to transition to a new tax professional company. Here at RCJ, the number one thing that we emphasize is customer service. So anytime you guys call us, text, or email, we always respond back. Our number one rule is once we receive all of your tax documentations, whether that's personal taxes or business taxes, we will turn them around within 48 hours. But what are some red flags to look out for when you feel like, you know what, maybe it's time to transition to a different company and you don't feel like you're a priority? Well, the number one thing I always tell my clients is, especially when I get my new clients, is please send me your prior year's tax returns. So your 2019 or your 2020 tax returns for me to review. And the reason I do that is because I want to see, especially for my business clients, what was put on there and if they fully understand what was on their taxes. And a red flag to watch out for is if you go to the person that filed your taxes last year and they're either unwilling to give it to you or asking you tons of questions of why you want those forms. That's a red flag that they may have put something on there that you weren't aware of. So it's very, very important to always get your tax documents in order. And if the person that filed it last year is unwilling to give it to you, that's a red flag that you should definitely transition because they're adding things on there that shouldn't be on there. Another red flag to look out for is if you ask them, how much did you charge me? Fees should be fully transparent. There should be no reason why you felt like you got charged a certain amount of dollar for your tax filing, but then when you go and ask them maybe a year later, they're telling you, well, look at your paperwork. We don't know. That's a super red flag to look out for, guys. We're fully transparent. Not only do we prepare returns here for business and personal use, but before we e-file anyone, we always show them what the prep fee is, along with our audit protection that we offer here at RCJ Tax and Credit Repair Services. A lot of our business clients, the pricing is a little bit different because we handle high-level S-Corp clients along with our single-member LLCs that may not have a lot of revenue but have tons of expenses within that first or second year. So what we do for our business clients is we'll gather all their information, total income, total expenses itemized, we'll look through it, and then we'll price point it. Usually our business clients aren't getting a refund. What they're getting is, our job is to make sure that we mitigate their tax bill, pretty much meaning bringing their tax bill down legally and ethically. So for that, what we do is we review everything and we price point it up front. And then from there, the full fee amount is due for our business clients, and then we'll turn that business tax around within 48 hours. So it's very, very important that you guys always understand and know how much you're being charged before your taxes are processed and afterwards. And a big red flag is if you call your company and they're asking you a whole bunch of questions about getting what's illegally yours as far as your tax documents go. That's a super red flag that you guys need to transition out. Another red flag you guys need to look out for is if they're constantly moving locations or changing their name as a business. So our information is out there for public record. You can look up our LLC on Sunbiz, as our corporate office is here in Florida, and we've been at the same location now going on 3 years. At the same time, we fully understand that we're dealing with very, very, very sensitive information. Some of our clients, they're sharing obviously their kids' names, their home address, and their personal information along with their income. So not only are we stationary here, but also when we do our virtual stuff, we make sure that we've got encrypted emails for all of our clients so everything is safeguarded. So understand, guys, if it's a fly-by-night location and 1 minute they're there and at the end of the tax season they're not, then it's definitely a red flag for your transition. And the last red flag for me that I always look for is after that April 18th tax deadline is complete and that office is closed, or that office is not returning your phone call or email, then that lets you know that they're not a year-round servicing company. And that's a red flag because not only do we service personal, but for business. And for business taxes, we also do extensions. So understand that we're here in the office every single day. And if we're not here in the office for appointments, if you give us a call, we'll set an appointment with you, whether it's virtual or in office, and service you for your tax needs. Again, my name is Rudy Pean with RCJ Tax and Credit Repair. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Be sure to follow us on all social media platforms, not only on YouTube, but also on Facebook and Instagram. See you there.